Right folks, so day one on the biggest job I've landed yet. As you can see, it's a big one. Right, so this is what the plan is. We're gonna hypo everything first, then we're gonna give it a rinse off, and then we're gonna treat it with some GK Pro Biocide. I have bought a dose demon to do this project, so I'll give you a little run through that a little bit later, but we're just going to crack on. The gutters have all got hedgehogs in them all the way round, so we're going to get all them out first, and then I don't even think it needs a little scrape. I think the bits of moss that are on there will come off with a brush, so we'll get the hedgehogs out and then we'll crack on. So I'll leave you with a time lapse anyway, and we'll have a little chat later. Ciao for now. As you can see, gutters full of hedgehogs. Customers, don't do it, they're a waste of time. You just make more mess and they create an environment for stuff to grow in, so just leave them out, because we'll take them out anyway. Right folks, so we've got most of the hedgehogs out. We can't get round the side because it's too high, so we've got to wait until we move the tower scaffold round. I'll just show you where we're up to now. So we've hypoed this section here, and what we're going to have to do, rather than keep taking the tower scaffold down and moving it, we've hypoed it. We're going to rinse it off in about 20 minutes, then we're going to put the biocide. We're going to move the tower scaffold a bit further that way, repeat the process, get all this high section done maybe by the end of tomorrow, and then we can just do all these lower sections from the ground. And then we've just got this little, well, I won't say it's little, but we've got this to do, this roof, so we could probably do all that from the ground as well. And then I'll just show you around here. The client also wants a bit of render cleaning. I don't think it's too bad, so probably a 5:1 ratio of hypo will do it. I think it's just a little bit green, but I'll show you now anyway. There's a bit of staining here we can sort out. We'll get that sorted. We'll get that sorted up there. We'll do all the sills, get them nice and clean, get them nice and clean, get that render up there, and I think that's it. Do all the gutters and fascias, we'll get them out up there, and then the job's done. Oof. So we shall crack on. I'll try and get some time lapse. It's just getting the camera set up somewhere. It's just getting in the way. I keep whacking it with the end of the pole, so we'll figure something out anyway, and I'll do some time lapse. Right folks, using a new bit of kit today, just arrived last week, the Dose Demon. I think it's the new model. Comes in a nice green polyurethane case. It's got a 10 litre capacity tank on there, barcode for instructions on ratios, etc. It's got a nice little gauge to see how many litres you've got in on the side. It's got a nice pressure gauge there, tell you what you're working at. And there's the dosatron. When you've got it all set up, just make sure you press that to let the air out. So it's simple, it goes from your outlet into your in, and then from your out into your hose reel into your pole. Can't be any simpler than that. So we'll give it a go, see how it works, but I've got a feeling it's going to make my job 20 times easier, so we'll leave you to it and we'll crack on. Right folks, this is day 2 of the roof clean. It's 2:45. Not had time to do much filming today. Got a bit of time-lapse footage, got a bit of drone footage, but we are currently nearly finished the high section, which is all of this area here. We've just got a little bit to do round that side, and then we can do everything from the ground. So we should have a nice, easy day tomorrow, hopefully, and then hopefully finish midday Sunday. But the weather's beautiful, what a place to do a bit of work, so we'll crack on, try and get some footage. Ciao for now. Right folks, well that's the end of day 2. Time we on now? It is 5 to 5. Just packing away now. Taylor's just doing that last bits of Biocide. We've got a little bit what we couldn't reach round this corner. Take us 10 minutes. And then it's easy sailing now tomorrow. Just get all the low sections done. Start the clean up job. Do the render. And that's it. Job finished. Ciao for now, we'll see you tomorrow.